Mohamed Fazallullah Baig on the stage. It's time for you to find out what are the opportunities and collaborations you can look forward to from the integrated treasury wing of Canara Bank.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Mohamed Fazallullah Baig, Divisional Manager from Canara Bank. I have come here to just present our banking products that will be very helpful in growing your business. As everyone knows, Canara Bank is one of the largest public sector banks in India with more than 120 years of legacy, and still it's growing on a daily basis. Our total business as on June 30th is 25.6 lakh crores, and we are adding on business on a daily basis. It's growing in leaps and bounds, and we are having a network of around 10,000 branches across all over India. So here also people have come from all parts of India. So wherever we are there, we will be able to cater all your banking requirements. And we are also having 4 overseas branches globally in order to cater the global markets. As the time is short, I will directly go to about our products. One of the game-changing product is called Canara GST. This product is for whoever have registered with GST and filing their GST returns on a regular basis. This product is very useful to them. It is just this thing. We are giving a 25% of your annual GST turnover as your working capital requirements. There is no other eligibility criteria as required. It is just direct 25% of your annual GST turnover has been given as a working capital requirements. Here important thing is it is given at a concessional interest rate. That is now everyone knows that interest rate are linked with repo. So our RLLR is 8.25%. From 8.25% itself, we are able to offer this Canara GST schemes. And the processing charge for this scheme is also, we are giving a concession based upon the collateral comfort is offered. For this scheme, we require a collateral of around 50%. 50% is sufficient to cover this scheme, so that for getting these concessions under. Then one more important this thing is Canara produced loan, that is against the negotiable warehouse receipt, which will be very helpful for our Cashew traders and processors. This is against the negotiable warehouse receipt with the National E-Repository Limited and CDSL, Commodity Repository Limited. If you are against your warehouse receipt, we are financing up to 75 lakhs without any collateral. Without any collateral, we are able to finance that too at a concessional interest rate of 8.25% itself. And this loan is a short-term loan which should be repaid at a maximum of 12 months. Within 12 months, we have to pay. Here, only thing is it has to be with WDRA, Warehouse Development and Regulatory Authority. That warehouse has to have a tie-up. And our entities also should have an account with NARL or CDSL. Here, actually, thing is that as India, as we are promoting exports as a country as a whole itself, we are promoting exports in an exponential way. So for catering that export needs, we are giving 2 types of finance: pre-shipment finance and post-shipment finance. Both these finances are offered both in INR as well as in foreign currency. What is this thing is, export credit is having a very concessional interest rate starting from 6.7% itself from Canara Bank. And that too, if you are going to get the export credit in the foreign currency, we are able to fund you even at 3.5%. Because in the foreign currency, the rate of interest is low compared to our rupee component. There are 2 types of pre-shipment and post-shipment. Pre-shipment is for preparing your export order. Before preparing the export order until shipment, we are able to fund that pre-shipment, and post-shipment also till our party is going to pay that, our overseas party, if they are taking some credit time after say 90 days or 180 days, till that time we will be funding that gap, so that there won't be any financial crunch for you to carry over your business. As you see that our export credit interest rates are very low compared to this thing. Actually, this is linked with short-term repo rate. Short-term repo rate for Canara Bank as of now is 5.5%. Then the interest spread starts from 1.2%. That too, if you are a manufacturer or processor exporter, then we are giving you at flat 6.7% with a spread of only 1.2%. This is the foreign currency, this export credit for foreign currency loan. Here, if you are going to get the foreign currency loan in euro, we can lend you from 3.5% itself. because euro is having a very low interest rate compared to other currencies. That 1.94%, which is starting from 1.9% plus a spread of 150 basis points. So we will be able to lend you at 3.5%. As here maximum as per our cashew industry, majorly importers than exporters. For catering the importers requirement, the important product for safety and risk mitigation, this thing is foreign letter of credit. Foreign letter of credit is a risk mitigation instrument where the overseas party is guaranteed about his payment, as well as our parties are also very much secured about the shipment. So it is a risk mitigated this thing. It works simply. That bank will guarantee on behalf of you. Our bank will be guaranteeing on behalf of you about the payment, and the overseas party will be supplying you the goods without any. He will be also risk-free, and we will be also risk-free if we are using this foreign letter of credits. Why to use with Canara Bank? We are having a quick and seamless process. We have all integrated that process into a single place called Global Trade Processing Center, where all our 10,000 branches across the country are enabled to do this foreign LC transactions. We are having a wide network of correspondent bankings across the globe. Around 26 correspondent banking accounts we are having, so that anywhere in the world we can reach. Our Canara Bank LC is having a very good rapport with all the other global markets. At the same way, if we are going to do within our inland, we are having a concept called bill discounting under inland LC. Inland LC, if you are going to get an inland LC from your parties, based upon that inland LC, we are discounting that bill, that too at a very competitive interest rate of 6.75 itself, we are discounting it. And this inland LC, even for non-customers also we are able to fund. If you are having an inland LC, even if you are a non-customer to our Canara Bank, we are funding it in a one-time basis also. We are funding it at a very concessional rate of interest. Then bank guarantees. These bank guarantees are used to when you want to apply for a large-scale projects or any advance payments. If you are against it, for that Canara Bank will be guaranteeing you on behalf of it. So it will be very helpful for securing you the long-term, very large-scale projects. And we are providing even in domestically as well as in foreign BGs. Domestic BGs, as you know, that it will be useful for very government agencies, other market agencies, and all these facilities, all our forex facilities, export credit, inland LCs, foreign LCs, foreign bank guarantees, everything you can apply through online itself. We are having our online platform called FX4U through our net banking, which you can, sitting in your home itself, you can apply to all these facilities without the requirement of branch papers. And this buyer's credit is a very helpful tool for the importers, very helpful tool. This we will be arranging the finance from the overseas parties actually, from our overseas financial institution. We ourselves are having 4 overseas branches, and we are also having a branch at a gift city, where we will be catering your needs, and we will be providing you foreign currency loans, very short-term foreign currency loans to 6 months to 1 year through our gift city branch. That will be in dollars as well as in euros, so that you will be able to, in India itself, you will be able to get it at a very lower interest rate when compared to our rupee loans. This forward contract facility, as everyone knows, it will be very helpful for our importers as well as exporters. It ought to, in this change after this Iran-Israel war, and lots of wars are going on and all across the globe. Our rate of fluctuation of foreign currency is huge. That too, dollar fluctuation in the recent days, it has been very huge. It went to till 89 rupees. Now again it came back to 86 rupees. In order to protect our currency, risks against the dollar fluctuation, we are offering the hedging of forward contracts. Forward contracts we can book for more than 1 year also we can book. And we are also offering you options and swap options also we are offering.